So our little RV has double sinks, and it came with these ugly covers for each sink. I decided I don't like them, so I want to make a farm style wood sink cover. I cut these boards through 25.5 inches so it'll cover the sink. I'm going to actually build it to where it has this on the back. This will sit down inside the sink so that the cover won't move around whenever we're moving the RV. It'll sit right down inside and make it secure. So I cut 2 for each side, and it'll cover both sinks. And then it'll also double as like a charcuterie board, because the top will be decorative and we can use it to put food on the table, or it'll also extend the counter by having this over the sinks. Okay, now I'm going to stain the wood with my 3 very favorite stains, which is carbon gray, weathered gray, and KONA. So this is the cover for our RV stovetop. Well, I wanted to update it. I got some high heat spray paint by RUST-OLEUM in white, and I sprayed it with that. And now I'm actually using RUST-OLEUM Protective Enamel for the letters. I used my Cricut, and I've cut out this design, and now I'm painting it on top with the enamel, and then I'm buying another coat of high heat paint in clear gloss to coat over it.